girl Faye is back on YouTube, yes, and I'm super excited. Today I'm gonna be coming at y'all with this soft glam look, coming in a little easy, a little simple out here. This look is very easy, y'all. Even if you're a beginner, trust me, you can nail this look down. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Also guys, definitely subscribe because your girl will have them videos rolling out again. Matter of fact, next week I'm dropping the video on this hair, so if you're interested and you want to know the tea on this hair, then stay tuned till next week. Okay, let's get into this video. So first off, I'm going to be mixing these two primers, the Smashbox Photo Finish and the Fenty Mattifying Primer. I've never actually tried mixing primers before, but I was just kind of curious to see, how's it gonna make my face look or whatever. And the Fenty is supposed to be a mattifying one, while the Smashbox is supposed to kind of make your pores disappear. So I was just like, let's see how they're gonna go together. So next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Y'all, I love this foundation, Fenty Beauty. Y'all did your thing. This is like my favorite foundation right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend into our skin, making sure everything is all nice and airbrush, because we want our makeup looking flawless, period. Alright y'all, so now that we're done blending out our foundation, we're going to be moving on to concealer. And I'm going to be using the Nars Creamy Concealer today. Actually, I'm not sure if this is a creamy one, but I will leave everything in the description box. So if you're curious, definitely go check it out, girl. And then I'm going to be using the Fenty contour stick to define my cheekbones today. As y'all can see, like, Fenty really got me in a chokehold. Like, their foundation, their primer, their contour stick, and I really want to try out their bronzer. So I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes when I eventually try it out. Now I'm just going to be blending out my highlights, and I like to use a small buffer brush because I feel like it really concentrates the product where I want it. I usually like for closer to my nose to be the most highlighted, and as you go towards the ends of my face, I like to fade out the highlight so it gives me like a more natural look and a more smooth transition into the contour. So yeah, girls, that's the tea on that. So yeah, now we're gonna be moving on to blending our forehead and our nose, making sure everything is nice, and then we're gonna be setting our face. Now for today, we're gonna be using another one of my holy grails, Mercier. And y'all, I love this powder. Like, if it's one thing about Mercier, like, she gonna have you looking snatched. Sometimes I mix it, but honestly, I don't even feel like you really have to. And you see the way the color, oh my god, it's just flawless, especially for dark skin tones. I feel like y'all should really try this out if you're looking for a good setting powder and you haven't found one. So moving on to eyeshadow, we're gonna be going into this James Charles palette. Now y'all, I'm so late because I just got this palette. That's why I wanted to try it out for this look, and I'm not even gonna lie, like, it's not even that pigmented. Like, I was really expecting more from this palette. But anyways, we're just gonna go in with that brown shade and just blend that into our crease. We're not doing like a crazy eye look today, just something something simple, but like we still doing something. So yeah, after going ahead with that brown shade, I'm gonna put some glitter on my eyelids. Now I didn't want the glitter like too high on my crease. I wanted it to just be like kind of low on the crease, you know what I mean? Just like a little bit on the eyelid. So that's what I went ahead to do. Once we've done that, we're going to be moving on to the liner and eyelashes so we can finish the eye look. And y'all, doing my liner on camera never works for me and my lashes, but I am going to show you guys what I'm using. I'm using the NYX liner and some lashes that I think I got from Shein. So yeah, and next I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D and putting this under my eye. Sometimes I want my under eye to be a little brighter, so I will go in with something like that. Like a translucent white powder. And next, I'm gonna be going in with some bronzer. Oh my god, y'all, my favorite part of my makeup, because this gonna really define our cheekbones and, you know, bring some depth into our face. Do you see the way those cheekbones are looking, honey? Yes, period. Moving on to our blush, y'all. I love this palette so much, and this blush, I cannot stop raving about it. Honestly, it's not even a blush. It's supposed to be an eyeshadow, but it looks amazing as a blush, especially on dark skin tone. Guys, it just has this earthy tone to it, and y'all, I need y'all to try it, please, and let me know what y'all think. Next, I'm gonna be contouring my nose. Yes, getting it snatched or whatever. Then we gonna be moving on to the highlight, y'all. I need a new highlighter, so please, if you know a good highlighter for dark skin, please let your girl know. But this is a MAC Gold Deposit. I've been using this for ages. I need some new girls, okay? So next I'm gonna go in and just blend my highlight, because I don't really like it when it's too harsh. I kind of like, you know, when it's blended out. I feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural. And I'm gonna put some of that on my nose as well, especially for the look that we're going for, like soft glam. You know, I kind of want everything to look a little bit natural. That's why the eyes, you know, wasn't doing too much, okay? So yeah, I've already gone ahead and lined my lips, and I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss today. I'm going to be using 2 lip combos, but y'all, this lip combo I think might be my new favorite. I went ahead with the e.l.f. lip oil as well, and it's in like a pink. It's such a nice pink shade. Then I'm gonna go in with some Urban Decay setting spray to set our makeup. Y'all, this setting spray, 10 over 10, y'all. Your makeup is not gonna move, I promise you. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just, you know, dab all that product into my skin, so my skin can just absorb everything, y'all, and just look flawless. And yes, this is the final beat right here. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.